or wet, ugly ass Cybertruck. Cybertrucks will never grow on me. They'll always forever be ugly. God damn. Ooh, I'm literally drifting. Ooh. Now what if I were to do front only? Ooh! It's just tire spinning. Yo, what is up guys? We're back for the continuation of the video. Oh damn, that is tough. Anyways, as you guys can see, we're back for part 2 of the continuation of the video. This side has way more snow than the other side, I'm pretty sure. But hold on, let me just find a spot that's not too dirty, the fuck, so I can make this intro properly. Hold on, I bet, like right here. Alright, so we rode earlier to come here like 7 miles, and as you guys can see, man, the fenders are buns. My boots all dirty, my pants, the back of my backpack all dirty, all the sides, bro. I got snow all over the scooter, mud, snow, salt everywhere, including the front especially, bro. Look at my forks, everything is all covered. I won't be using the scooter until like probably Monday to come to school, but man, I definitely gotta take some of this stuff out for sure, man. Like, subscribe, comment. Last time I checked, I had 1357 subs. We're trying to reach 1600 by the end of the year. And if you like this type of content, definitely like, subscribe. I'm also trying to get monetized, so help your boy out. Watch this video to the end. And yeah, man, I'm thinking of pulling up to Marine Park to see what it's like after being covered in snow and such. There's this car coming in. Let him go through first. Despite the freezing cold, I feel like the scooter is handling, is accelerating pretty good still, despite all the snow and cold temps. This is not pleasant at all, bro. We got 11 mile per hour winds heading east, and even, oh damn, that was your suspension, bro. That was unexpected, big ass hole in the road. But anyways, yeah, it is 22 degrees, but because of the 11 mile per hour winds, it feels like 11 degrees at the moment. The wind is directly against us. So I'm really feeling it, man. Anyways, we got 2 stops for today. One, head to Marine Park, and 2 to Five Below, buy myself a new water bottle. As much as I love electric scooters, I don't share that same love for electric cars at all. Especially not Teslas. I don't like Teslas at all. All the electric car companies. I'm cold. I feel like these gloves aren't heating my hands enough, man. I don't know if it's because today is just one of the coldest days that I've ever rode this and with these gloves and wet, ugly ass Cybertruck. Cybertrucks will never grow on me. They'll always forever be ugly. If you think Cybertrucks genuinely look good, you're blind. I don't know what to tell you, bruh. Literally a square with a bunch of sharp edges. It literally looks like a garbage dump stir. Even though I got 3 layers of pants, I'm feeling it in my legs, bro. Damn. It's so much traffic around the area right now. What's happening? Can I go? Nah. Usually I would take the sidewalk, but as you can see, man, there is nowhere for me to get over there because all the entrances are covered in snow. I wonder how the bike lanes are on this side. If they're covered in snow, I might just stay on the main road. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna stay on the bike lanes. I'm seeing it way too much snow on them already. Both sides. God damn. That's why I prefer sitting, bro. See how much easier it was to handle all that snow in the middle of the road. But yo, these boots have already been through so much, bro. And I only got them, what was it, 3 days before the storm. And put them through so much use already. Are we serious right now? Yo! Is it me or is the lake frozen? No, it's not. The water is actually moving. Never mind. It's because I saw so many birds on it just chilling. I thought it was frozen for a second. Yeah, this bike lane is no good, bro. Hopefully no more unexpected patches of snow on the middle of the road going forward. What is it this time? I think somebody's making a U-turn causing the traffic on our school bus. I'm so cold right now, bro. Despite all the layers that I've got on. Lucky for me, I don't have to come all the way here every day. So that's good. What a weird license plate. 3 sevens, 3 V's, and 3 sevens. I just leaked the guy's license plate, but it's so unique. I've never seen anything like this before. Damn, bruh. This is actually insane. The amount of snow that's left. I saw a video of how, not all of Canada, but some places have snow collecting trucks. Yeah, bro, right now in my country, it's 80 degrees. In Haiti, it's 80 degrees right now, all year long. The lowest it gets is like 67 degrees at night. But that's about it. But all year long, 80 degree temps, bro. So much better than this bullshit we're having right now, bro. The snowstorm that happened already was bad. Over 12 inches of snow, and then on this weekend coming up, we have another snowstorm that's expected. We don't have any numbers so far, but 2 snowstorms in a row. What did we do to deserve this, bro? Nah. I can't wait to get home, bro. Don't wanna stay outside more than I need to in this cold. Some cars are actually buried under the snow, bro. Like under heavy layers of snow. Like some already low sedans with low ground clearance being buried under 1 feet of snow is already a pain in the butt, especially if they're not all-wheel drive. And those who have more than 1 foot of snow, dude, I feel so bad for you. Not gonna lie. I think I might do 4 layers of pants next time, because my feet is freezing right now, bro. Like, actually. Literally cannot understand idiots who say that they prefer winter over the summer. Look at all this nonsense. Where is this dumbass going? I checked the voltage. The error codes also went away. 79.1 volts. It's like the cold did not even affect our battery whatsoever. And it's below freezing, by the way. 22 degrees is below freezing. And that's when lithium-ion batteries start to perform less and have less range. But surprisingly, the range is pretty similar to what we usually get. Oh, it's a red light in front. Now it turned green, so this should clear out in a little bit. Oh, seriously, bro. Oh, I hate the cold. Alright, let's go inside this park here. See what it's like inside. He gave me the go ahead. Oh, I'm sleeping crazy right now. Ooh, I'm literally drifting. It's better to have 1 foot spread out like this to catch me if I were to fall or anything were to happen. How the hell am I supposed to get to the tracks? No, the tracks are not even plowed, so I can't even ride around the park, bro. Yo, what the hell? If we're paying so much money to the state, can't even plow the park? Yeah, that's crazy, fam. I came here for nothing. Oh well. What's, yeah, 5 below. Next stop. This thing gets cloudy way too easy, bro. Ooh, I'm literally sliding all over the place, bro. I wonder how it would look like on camera. Hold on, let me find a spot to put my phone at so you guys can see from another angle. I mean, everywhere is covered in snow. I don't just want to leave it on the ground like that. Would it be weird if I let it lean against that car's tires? I don't think there's anybody in there, so it'll be quick anyways. Boom, pull this out. Bam, video. Bam. Oh, this has no kickstand though. Hold on. Okay, there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see me on camera, but third person POV of what it looks like riding over the snow. Ooh! Ooh! Hoo, 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 hoo. Ooh! Really gotta be careful with the accelerations on this type of surfaces. Oh well, thank you, kind stranger, for letting me use your tire as a kind of phone holder. I'm gonna watch the video later anyways. Back to Insta360, and let's head back to the road and head to 5 Below to get myself a new water bottle. What would it be like if I use back motor only? Yeah, pretty tame, no wheel spin, not too crazy. Okay, cool. Now what if I were to do front only? Ooh! It's just tire spinning. Tires just keep on spinning and spinning, bro. So dual motors is the sweet spot. The real wheel, pretty tame, not too wild. But then you do front only and it just keeps on spinning and spinning, bro. And then you do both. It's way more balanced that way. Down to 78.6 volts after everything. So part 1 we rode about 7 miles, and just now it's been hold on, 4.4 miles. That is great voltage. And my dad was talking about, oh, you know the cold is gonna eat away your battery, right? And I still insisted on going to school with the scooter. Both ways is 12 miles. And as you guys can see, we still have plenty of battery left. Ugh. And plenty more to spare. I could still make 2 round trips and still have battery. with the rate that the charge is dropping. I have my chain and U-lock in my backpack, so it's making it even heavier. Yeah, I would not trust myself standing up on a scooter riding over the piles of snow and ice. Nah, nah. I prefer sitting like this when the roads are this bad. Damn, a lot of them are getting ticketed for running that red. People who wear glasses, like, genuinely, how do you survive riding in the winter like this? They really need to start building more shelters at the bus stops. You know, like little waiting areas at the bus stops that have chairs and a roof on top. Like, bus stops without any chairs at all is already pretty criminal. And the ones without roofs, bro, especially here in front of King's Plaza, like, how you gonna not make any bus stop shelters like right in front of King's Plaza? A place that brings in a lot of customers all year round. Like, come on, bro, do better. And I know that the main argument is gonna be like that the homeless people are gonna be using them as like places to sleep and camp, but like, okay, and just because some of them do it doesn't mean that all homeless people are gonna do that. And even then, you know how many bus stops there are in Brooklyn alone, let alone the whole entire NYC area? A lot. Which means that we can't possibly have one homeless person sleeping at every bus stop, bro. Like, come on. I really have to give the scooter a good cleaning once I get home, bro. Cause this amount of salt is not good for the scooter at all. Anyways, we're not too far off from the 5 below now, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed part 2 of the ride. Don't ask me to do stuff like this often, because I won't unless I really have to. Only reason why I'm on the scooter today is because I left the car so that Dad could go to work. But yeah, man, if there's anyone still watching by any chance, please comment Boyueda M3, even though such a thing doesn't exist. But just write that in the comments just so I know if you're watching still.